Good afternoon, this is Keith Thal and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn about a free tool that you could have access to remove the background of any picture that you have. So first of all, let's go to remove.bg. B as in boy, G as in Gary, which also stands for background. So remove.bg. Once you're here, just upload your file that you want to work with. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to select any picture. Click OK. It takes a few seconds for it to upload and for this program to analyze the image. And once it's done, it will have removed the background for you. So give it a few seconds here. And then also once it's done, I'll show you how we could also use this same tool to add any background to the picture. See, as you can see, it removed the background. So it also gives you can see the original, and now this is the background that it removed. Now, if you click on this button here where it says Edit, you can, it gives you additional tools to create a background for yourself. So if I click on this, it'll go with the original with a slight blur. See how it blurs the background? And you have many different effects to create the background. Now let's say you want to select any one of these images. Watch what it does. Let's undo the blur, and there you go. So in other words, if you want to apply any one of these backgrounds here, but you don't want to blur, just click on this first image here. But if you do want to blur the background, just see how it blurs it up for you. It's pretty neat. And then all you have to do is just click on this button right here, click on download, and click this again, and there you have it. And it is downloaded the image for you. So let's click on this X. Let's open it up. That's the one with, let's go back here, and there you go. And that's the image that we just worked with. I removed the original background, added another background, and there you have it. So it's a pretty neat tool. So if you don't have access to a program like Photoshop or something like that, this is one tool that's free that you can work with, that you could remove the background, and if you choose a different background to it and add some blur effects to it. So hopefully this gave you some ideas to work with, and remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so whenever I have a new video, you'll be updated. And also please like, share, and comment. I'll be making more videos on free tools that you could use on the internet. Again, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you, and you have a great day.